My business is still a construction company. It's a family business. And what we do is steel buildings and industrial buildings. And for me, KALTENBACH can help a lot in the process because we can do it more automatic.
Innovative KALTENBACH machines and systems are in the center of interest of this IPS. But besides this, the topic digitization is catching more and more fire amongst our industry.
KALTENBACH is really special because for us, it's not part of business, it's not part of the production. It's just a kind of family, and they really feel at home when they are so far away. My customers are bringing most of them from South America, so it's special to see that they are coming here and feeling like at home, seeing the production, see the machines, but as well being part of the group.
For me, it's mainly fun to see the people interact here, to see that clients are having fun with our employees, with our machines, enjoying business as also just enjoying a leisure evening and discussing even private topics.
What I'm looking forward for the next IPS is the same that we are getting here. Warm welcome, a family taking care of my customers and looking for the new production and the new develops of KALTENBACH.
What I would like to show also at next IPS is not that we are already in the process of spearheading the industry, but really also to have a big success already in the digital world. So I think digital is the next thing which we want to push forward also at the next IPS.
For me, this event it was really good because we can see all the machines working and making the whole process, and also to went to these shops, these shops of steel. It was really nice.
Basically, the IPS is so special because of our customers. New and existing customers are coming here to create something new, to create success together with KALTENBACH.